Do you think South Africa is known only for football? Get ready to discover one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth, while millions of people follow the 2026 FIFA World Cup and cheer for South Africa on the world's biggest football stage. Another breathtaking spectacle unfolds every single day, far from the stadiums. It is a show created by nature itself, where every sunrise tells a new story of survival, beauty, and balance. Located at the southern tip of the African continent, South Africa covers more than 1.2 million square kilometers and is home to some of the richest and most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Within just a few hours, you can travel from majestic mountains and lush forests to endless golden savannas, crystal clear rivers, dramatic coastlines, and the meeting point of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. This remarkable variety of landscapes provides the perfect habitat for thousands of species. South Africa is home to hundreds of species of mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and freshwater fish, along with more than 850 bird species, making it one of the world's premier destinations for birdwatchers, wildlife photographers, and nature enthusiasts. Among its most famous inhabitants are the legendary Big Five: the African lion, African elephant, leopard, rhinoceros, and African buffalo. These iconic animals represent the strength and beauty of African wildlife and can be found in many of the country's protected national parks and game reserves. Yet South Africa's natural wealth extends far beyond its large mammals. Brilliant kingfishers, majestic African fish eagles, colorful bee-eaters, impressive hornbills, and hundreds of other bird species fill the skies, rivers, forests, and grasslands with life, color, and unforgettable songs. Every sunrise, every flight, and every corner of this extraordinary country reveals an ecosystem that has evolved over millions of years. Here, predators and prey, rivers and forests, insects and birds all exist in a delicate balance that makes South Africa one of the greatest natural treasures on Earth. In the next chapters, you will explore some of the world's most famous national parks, encounter extraordinary wildlife, and discover why South Africa is considered a dream destination for anyone who loves birds, animals, and the wonders of nature. If there is one place where nature reveals its true magnificence, it is South Africa. Its national parks and protected reserves safeguard some of the most valuable ecosystems on Earth, providing a safe home for thousands of species and preserving one of the planet's greatest concentrations of wildlife. Among them all, Kruger National Park stands out as the most famous, covering nearly 20,000 square kilometers. It is one of Africa's largest and most celebrated wildlife reserves. At sunrise, the first rays of light spread across the savanna as elephants begin their journey toward watering holes. Giraffes browse the leaves of towering acacia trees, and lions slowly return after a long night of hunting. The rivers flowing through the park are the lifeblood of this remarkable ecosystem. Hippopotamuses spend most of the day partially submerged in the cool water, while crocodiles wait silently along the riverbanks. High above, majestic African fish eagles patrol the skies with extraordinary eyesight, scanning the water before diving with remarkable speed and precision to catch their prey. Across the open grasslands, enormous herds of zebras, wildebeest, and antelopes travel across the plains in search of fresh grazing land and water. These animals play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the savanna while also supporting predators such as leopards, cheetahs, and lions. Yet South Africa's natural beauty extends far beyond its large mammals. The country is also one of the finest birdwatching destinations in the world. Brilliant kingfishers flash above crystal clear rivers. Hornbills glide through the skies with their unmistakable silhouettes, and colorful bee-eaters perform graceful aerial displays as they capture insects in midair. With every changing season, migratory birds arrive after traveling thousands of kilometers across continents. Their incredible journeys demonstrate how ecosystems are connected across the globe, reminding us that the survival of many species depends on healthy habitats that cross international borders. Protecting these landscapes means preserving far more than wildlife. It means safeguarding rivers, forests, wetlands, grasslands, and the delicate web of life that has evolved over millions of years, making South Africa one of the world's greatest natural treasures. In the next chapter, we will discover some of South Africa's most extraordinary bird species and explore why this remarkable country is considered a dream destination for birdwatchers, wildlife photographers, and nature lovers from around the world. After discovering the incredible mammals that have made South Africa one of the world's most famous safari destinations, it's time to look to the skies. There, you'll find one of the country's greatest natural treasures. South Africa is a true paradise for bird lovers, with more than 850 recorded bird species, including both resident and migratory birds. It has become one of the world's top destinations for birdwatching, wildlife photography, and nature exploration. As the sun rises, nature comes alive in an unforgettable symphony of colors and sounds. Thousands of birds take to the skies while their songs echo through mountains, forests, rivers, wetlands, and vast open savannas. Every species plays an essential role in maintaining the balance of these remarkable ecosystems. Among the country's most iconic birds is the African fish eagle. With its powerful wings, graceful flight, and unforgettable call, it rules over rivers and lakes in search of fish. For many people across Africa, this magnificent bird symbolizes strength, freedom, and the untamed spirit of the wild. Another breathtaking species is the lilac-breasted roller, often considered one of the most colorful birds on Earth. Its brilliant feathers display vibrant shades of blue, turquoise, green, lilac, and brown, creating an unforgettable display every time it takes flight. Wildlife photographers from around the world travel to South Africa hoping to capture this extraordinary bird on camera. Across the savannas, the tiny southern masked weaver demonstrates one of nature's greatest engineering skills. Using grass and plant fibers, it carefully weaves intricate, hanging nests that protect its chicks from predators and harsh weather. Another remarkable bird is the colorful southern carmine bee-eater, known for catching insects in midair with incredible speed and precision. It fills the skies with vibrant colors and graceful aerial movements, making it one of Africa's most photographed birds. Along South Africa's coastline, visitors can witness an entirely different wildlife experience. Colonies of African penguins live on rocky beaches, reminding us that Africa is home to species many people associate only with colder parts of the world. Watching them waddle across the rocks before diving into the ocean is a truly unforgettable sight. Every year, thousands of migratory birds arrive in South Africa after traveling incredible distances from other parts of Africa, Europe, and even Asia. Guided by extraordinary natural instincts, they find safe breeding grounds, abundant food, and favorable weather in this remarkable country. Every flight, every birdsong, and every carefully built nest reminds us that birds are far more than beautiful creatures. They pollinate plants, disperse seeds, control insect populations, and help maintain the delicate balance that keeps nature alive. In our final chapter, we'll explore the oceans surrounding South Africa, discover whales, dolphins, and fascinating marine life, and reveal why this extraordinary country is considered one of the world's greatest wildlife sanctuaries. Our journey through the extraordinary natural wonders of South Africa now comes to its final chapter. After exploring its vast savannas, ancient forests, and remarkable birdlife, it is time to discover another incredible world hidden beneath the waters surrounding this beautiful country. Bordered by both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, South Africa is home to one of the richest and most diverse marine ecosystems on Earth. The meeting of warm and cold ocean currents creates the perfect conditions for an astonishing variety of marine life, turning its coastline into a true natural sanctuary. Every year, one of nature's most breathtaking events unfolds along these shores. Southern right whales return to South Africa's coastal waters to give birth and raise their calves. For weeks, visitors can witness these gentle giants swimming gracefully, breaching above the waves, and teaching their young how to survive in the open ocean. It is an unforgettable experience for scientists, wildlife photographers, and nature lovers from around the world. Sharing these waters are playful pods of dolphins, moving together with remarkable coordination and intelligence. Their social behavior and communication continue to fascinate researchers. Beneath the surface, great white sharks, sea turtles, rays, and hundreds of fish species help maintain the delicate balance of this extraordinary marine ecosystem. Yet this incredible natural treasure faces serious challenges. Ocean pollution, illegal fishing, habitat destruction, and climate change threaten countless species. Across South Africa, marine reserves, conservation organizations, scientists, park rangers, and local communities work tirelessly to protect these ecosystems and ensure they remain healthy for future generations. Every protected beach, every restored habitat, and every rescued animal represents hope for the future. Protecting nature means ensuring that future generations will continue to hear the songs of wild birds, witness the great mammals of the African savanna, and experience the breathtaking beauty of South Africa's oceans. As the world celebrates the excitement of the 2026 FIFA World Cup and watches the best national teams compete on the football field, another silent competition continues every single day in nature, the fight for survival and the preservation of life. In that mission, every one of us is part of the same team. We hope this documentary has inspired you to see South Africa from a completely new perspective. Far beyond football, this remarkable nation is one of the world's greatest wildlife destinations, reminding us that protecting biodiversity is one of humanity's most important responsibilities. You enjoyed this documentary? Subscribe to the channel and join us for the next episode in our special series exploring every country participating in the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Together, we'll discover new landscapes, extraordinary wildlife, fascinating birds, and unforgettable stories that reveal the incredible beauty of our natural world.